little brass spell by the painted blue.
Hi, beautiful, amazing people. Today we're going to do an unboxing of an item that's not diamond painting, but miniature. So I've got my very first miniature house. It is a Rolife kit, and my local Spotlight has a sale on at the moment, and I'm so tempted to go back and get at least 1 or 2 diamond paintings, because I've got these really big ones that are down like from well over $100 down to $35. So, but I'm trying not to buy into the FOMO of, but then like, where am I going to get a saving that great? Yeah. So, hi, I'm Mel. Welcome if you are new here. I mostly do diamond painting, but today I'm doing something different. Yeah, I appreciate you being here, and maybe miniature housing is your jam, but if it's diamond painting or relaxing music, welcome to have a look at something different. And yeah, thank you for being here and supporting me. Let's try and get into it without ruining the box. It is wrapped in film. So Tracy over at Mattingly House, her channel Mattingly House, has got me super inspired to do miniature kits. I've been watching her videos lately, and she is doing some Temu kits. But because Spotlight have their sale on it at the moment, I thought it would be a good opportunity to get one discounted, so and not wait for Temu. But also I believe this doesn't need glue. I'm not 100% sure. And I may have that's pretty, bit the bullet and got one that is a little bit more it's got a rating on here, skill level, a bit more skilled than what I am, because this is my very first one. My children spotted the skill level on here somewhere, but I can't. They said, let's have a look. It's not there, is it? No. And I've done my best not to watch any unboxings of this particular kit. I believe that Rolife have been providing this for some time, at least I think like a few years. I'm not seeing a skill level on there, just 14 plus, might be down here. No, so it tells you a bit about the kit. Oh, there, level. Duh, that stands out, doesn't it? 4.5 stars out of 5. Well, I think I'm capable. So the box is pretty. Yeah, so Tracy, if you're watching, you have got me hooked. There's a beautiful manual, I think. Yeah, with all the instructions inside. So I thought, with my daughter about to go away for university, I might possibly have a little bit more spare time and be able to do a little bit more. Oh wow, so you get a little screwdriver, you get some tweezers. This is to make up the light, I believe. There's a little cup in there. So we've got some metal things in here. Yeah, so that's a little battery pack, but you've got to provide your own batteries. And probably, I don't know if that's wiring or it's things that you use for the props. Yeah, so very fitting with the Look Art Cheshire Cat diamond painting that I'm doing at the moment. And we've got some more things here. So we've got the frame, we've got a light shade, which will be, I think, hanging up there, potentially. We've got some All props. We've got a little bird. Is it a crow? It sits up the top there. Got some moss. Yeah, interesting. And they look like some, if not all, are already pre-cut. You don't have to push them out of the cardboard. And I have read that you don't need glue, but if you do want it to be more sturdier, this is plywood. If you want it to be more sturdier to glue, use glue. So that must be this corner bit here. Potentially, they are numbered. So we've got our numbers, and I guess you just go to those pages. Possibly. We'll work it out. I just really wanted to unbox this to show you my latest project. I've got more items in there. It's definitely what I'm seeing. Most of it is already pushed out. You don't need to do too much work. Yeah. Right, cabinets. Oh, this is a big pack. Oh, and it does come with glue. Oh, I see. We do get our own glue. I did look on the pack and it didn't say glue was provided. So it just says main material, plywood, paper, metal. So yeah, it doesn't tell you exactly what you get in the pack. So if you're wondering, you do get glue. So it looks like I will be gluing it together anyway. So you get a pack with all the other goodies. So that'll be the base and the walls, etc. I'll put that somewhere where we can see it. I like it. So here we've got our paper, which we will need to cut out. So like the wallpaper, that's for the base stand. I'm picking, it's this base here. So I'll have to be nice and straight with my cutting, won't I? Some books and cards that I need to glue onto the cardboard or the wood, butterflies, portraits, things. And need to cut that out to put on there. And some more decor, doors. Oh, these might be stickers. They look like they would go on books or on a box. Or like tea. Because it's a tea shop. So we've got some boxes of tea. Drink me. And then we've got some card cubes to make up. And we've got some little floral leaves. What was I thinking? Leaves. Don't know if there's 2 sets of those. Nice. And last is these more things that we've got to cut out. Or is this just like a schematic of the parts that we have inside? Possibly. I don't think I need to cut that up. It'll just be a diagram of what's in like these packs, I think. So these ones. Oh, my dog's making noise in his sleep. Barking in his sleep. Well, that's really cool. So I think it said it takes about 5 hours to make up. I'm going to say it's going to take me... Oh, he's still barking in his sleep. Joys of a content creator who has So it's going to probably take me twice as long. And let me know if you would like me to video while I'm making this. It will be a weekend project. That looks cool. It's like a little marble, but it's cracked. You can see that. Yeah, let me know if you want to be part of this journey, and we will make it up together. I do like that. And oh yeah, it shows you other ones that they have. Really cool. Bit of a catalogue as well. Shows you exactly how to make it. All right, beautiful people, love you, and thanks for being here watching. I will drop in the description below the price, what I paid, but I did have 20% off, and originally in New Zealand it was $80 New Zealand dollars, and I paid $56. So, and I'd be paying that for a very, very similar one on Temu. So yeah, Temu for these miniature houses is actually quite expensive. They range from like $35 up to $80 something dollars. So yeah, I'm going to take advantage of buying the Rolife ones while I can. And yeah, I think it's cool. I hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much for being here and enjoying this unboxing with me. And yeah, have you ever tried a miniature house? Are you doing one right now? Do let me know. And yeah, are you intrigued? Would you like to do one? It's very detailed, isn't it? I can see where the tea boxes go in here. But yeah, there's a little light as well. Whoops, bump the camera. Oh, I've just ordered an overhead camera stand as well, so no more bumping the tripod, and it's going to make my recording so much easier. Although I do love my DJI gimbal, and I will use it for its proper use for like walking and talking, and yeah, being more hands-free. But also, if you could please like the video if my content resonated with you. Please share and subscribe if you can. And yeah, somehow it helps the algorithm to like videos and to watch the whole video through. So if you have watched this video all the way through, if you don't mind dropping a, let's say, a heart card emoji. Let's go heart. Beautiful heart. Out of from our Queen of Hearts, shall we? Yeah, share the love. Do go and check out Tracy's channel. I'll put the link down below, the Mattingly House channel. And she's over in London, I believe. Please go and show her some love and support, and tell her I sent you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Little brass spell by the painted blue door says, come in, be curious, stay. China cups chatter from ceiling high shelves as the dust motes dance in the day. Kettles all argue which one should sing. Steam writes loops in the air, and Alice, apron tied in a sideways bow, tucks a ribbon back in her hair. Welcome to Alice's tea store, mind the floor. It may move when you pour. One sip for sense, one sip for delight. Stay